Forgotten username recovery failed on Emma Insights Fix. If you've tried to recover your Emma Insights username without success, don't worry, most people get this wrong. Emma now relies on your registered email or phone number instead of traditional usernames. Guessing usernames rarely works, and it can waste a lot of time. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Emma app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. This is how Emma identifies you securely. Step 2. If you can't access your email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific details ready. Emma uses this to ensure that only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, follow the prompts to reset your password. Check all email folders, including spam or junk, if the recovery email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If recovery still fails, contact Emma support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts failed and provide your personal information. Their team will guide you through the process safely. Many users assume losing a username locks them out forever, but the surprising truth is that Emma switched to email and phone-based login to improve security and make access easier. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity as needed, and you'll be back managing your Emma Insights account smoothly and confidently.